The Abizoe 15-piece non-stick cookware set is like a dependable friend in a small kitchen. It includes pots and pans of different sizes. These are perfect for cooking meals, and they won't take up too much space. The best part is the removable handles. They make storing these pots and pans super easy, especially in tight spots like RVs. This set can be a real staple for anyone needing efficient cooking tools. Cooking with the Abizoe 15-piece non-stick cookware set is simple. The non-stick surface means your food won't stick. So, flipping an egg or sautéing veggies becomes a breeze. Cleaning up is also quick and easy because food slides right off. You get lids for the pots, which helps cook food faster and keeps it warm. This cookware set is practical and user-friendly, and it feels sturdy without being too heavy. If you need a complete set of cookware that saves space and makes cooking easier, the Abizoe 15-piece non-stick cookware set is a great choice. It's not a fancy Viking set, but it gets the job done well. It's a smart pick for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone who values convenience. You won't need special offers or cards to appreciate the value this set brings to your daily cooking. It's a reliable set that makes cooking less of a chore, and it's available in the USA. You can use it muchas veces. Pros: good for small kitchens, non-stick coating, easy to clean, removable handles, stackable pans. Oven safe, dishwasher safe, for all stovetops, safe. Non-toxic coating. Cons: lid fit could be improved, box may arrive damaged, missing utensils reported, not all pieces have lids, coating durability unknown, long-term non-stick quality, potential for handle wear, limited long-term reviews. Features: removable handles, space efficient, for RVs, compact kitchens, aluminum, dishwasher safe, oven safe, all stovetops. This Abizoe cookware set has 15 non-stick pots and pans. The handles can come off. This saves space, which is good for small kitchens and RVs. The set is made of aluminum. You can wash it in the dishwasher. It can also go in the oven. You can use it on all kinds of stovetops. This Abizoe 15-piece cookware set has a non-stick coating and removable handles, which helps save space in small kitchens and RVs. The pans and pots are easy to clean, stackable, and can be used in the oven and on all stovetops. The set uses a safe, non-toxic coating, but some customers have noted that the lids might not fit perfectly and the box could arrive damaged. Also, some reports mention missing utensils and not all pieces come with lids. It's unclear how long the non-stick coating will last or if the handles will wear out over time. As there aren't many long-term reviews available,